Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. Today I'll show how you can upgrade equipment in Dragon Ball Legends. So to start, you'll need to obviously launch the game itself. Here tap at the menu, then open the characters. Here select the equip option or equip. Here you can either upgrade your character's equipment one by one, or you can tap over here and upgrade it all if you have enough resources and upgrades, of course. Then let's drag nominate this equipment for an upgrade. Here, as you can see, I do not have sufficient funds as far as I can see. Or do I? Oh, never mind. Yeah, I have more than enough currency to buy this upgrade, so that's how you do that. So, thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.